In this video, you'll learn how to edit the measurements in a proposal. Click the Measure Toolbar inside a proposal to begin. Click Add Manual Measurements to fill in measurement details when there are no reports attached to the job. Add the roof area and element lengths to the labeled boxes. Click Save. Quantities and totals will update on your proposal for mapped items. You can add a Roofr or DIY measurement to an existing proposal to populate the measurements at any time. Click the Measure Toolbar. From the Source Details dropdown, select the report and version you want to use in this proposal. Quantities and totals will update on your proposal for mapped items. Click Edit to manually adjust any of the quantities. Change the measurements as needed and click Save. Click Update Proposal to confirm changes.